Hey everybody, how are you doing today? I just want to show you what's going on around here. Okay, I've started another group of these bins. As you can see, they're different color, and I don't have them planted yet. Here's what I do have planted. This one. That's a calendula. And over there, I've got the ones that are in the sun. So I've got everything over here that wants to have hot sun. So let's see if anything is germinated yet. I don't see anything yet. But it won't be long. We had a really nice hot day today. And so I'm sure the little seedlings are loving that. I got another brand of potting soil, but it was really stinky. So I took it back, traded it in for this Miracle Grow Organics. So this is the top of my Ford Transit Connect. And I just got a recall notice that they're going to replace these gaskets. Look at that. They're all loose along here on this moonroof. So I had to take my solar panel off. And I've got it over here on the side of the house. All the hardware. Sure was easier to take it off than it was to put it on. And I've got the roof racks here in the shed. So I'll put them back on as soon as they replace those gaskets. So this is the sunny side of the garden. And I'm so excited because look at that. Oh, baby cauliflower. Got 2 of them up here just today. It was really warm today, about 90. In the back there, see that little one? 2 of them, 2 little green ones. Those are peas. So I'm so excited. Something's up. They were planted on the 23rd. Today is the 30th. 7 days. Well, we're at the car wash here. And this is supposed to be so cool. You're supposed to be able to get rainbow suds. So it's time to wash the last of the beautiful Sedona dirt off of my car. So we're in the car wash. Let's see the rainbows. There's pink. I only saw pink. There's more pink. That was pretty cool. Well, that automatic car wash with the rainbow suds really got this nice and clean. Even the wheels. Amazing.